Alright, another garden update. Elderberries are doing really well. All the way down here. Got a whole row of them. Got them on the other side of the house too, but hoping to get a bunch of them this year. Strawberries still looking good. Get one every now and then. Got some cherry tomatoes. Got some little babies on there. I need to get to and pick. Got some romas there. Some more cherries growing in there. Had a bad storm. It kind of knocked down some of my black-eyed Susans, but they're coming back. My mullein, we've had so much water. Stuff was getting kind of waterlogged, but it's doing really well. Got some bell peppers in there doing well. Blackberries doing well. Our black walnut, getting all kinds of walnuts on it. My wildflower garden. It's like pure chaos. My huge tall marigolds. My okra. Doing real well. My radishes going to seed. So I'm letting them, we've been getting a lot of beans. Still got a few carrots in the ground. The lemongrass doing well. I've harvested all the cabbage, so then I replanted the area with squash. They're starting to come up. Peppers are doing good. Getting a bunch of peppers. Planted some cucumbers where we had the snow peas. We harvested them and planted some cucumbers, so they're coming up.